most respected parish priest, Reverend Father John P.M., Father Philip, Father Sabu, respected sisters, and my dear brothers and sisters, at today's center of attraction, not only for today, throughout our life, our dear mothers, I take this wonderful opportunity to extend a very happy Mother's Day to all of you. Aji amikan sab upalekada kurikine Mother's Day manavale ase aru sab mothers kange moi Mother's Day laga greetings janati ase. I don't know I am capable of giving any message to you all, but since I got this opportunity, I would like to say one or two things. एक और दूता गोता कोरी के लिए अभी जल्दी पढ़ाई चको अभी जानिए से अपनी कैन आज ही घर जाए कि नहीं फैमिली कैन निजर निजर फैमिली कैन लोगों एक ही लोगों मदर्स डे प्रोग्राम अपनी कैन प्लान कोरी के लिए किया से और चर्च प्रोग्राम कदों पहले अपनी कैन जल्दी घर जामले मन बुकी के लिए बोही ऐसे Father Sabu during his sermon has given a wonderful message on Mother's Day. But even then, I would like to add one or two things to what he has already spoken to you. Mother, Amma. I don't think any other word in this world can evoke so much of emotion, so much of feeling in our mind. We are all on this planet because of our mothers. This world with all its people, the societies, our civilizations, religions, it's all formed and existing only because of mothers and their love. American aji to church se bohe कारण कौन आसे? American लगा अम्मा निमित्ते American aji church से आगी आसे. We have heard the first lessons of faith from our mothers. We learned the first prayer to God from our mothers. We learned how to do the sign of cross from the mothers. We are still alive and doing good. It's all because of our mothers and their sacrifice. And my dear brothers and sisters, I don't need to tell you what is the importance of mothers in our life. How important are they? And the kind of sacrifice, the kind of service they render to every one of us is invaluable. The famous writer, Rudyard Kipling, once said, God cannot be everywhere. That is why He created mothers. Aru, American school te काम करे टाइम ते parents can ahi takibo kumba time te ami parents can de hudibo apni ki kori ase mata kan hole to hobo sir moi to सर्विस करी आसे बिजनेस करी आसे और आमी उड़ीबो अपनी मक्की तो की करी आसे अये सर आमी मक्की तो इतकु भी ना करे दे ते हाउस वाइफ आसे और आमी उड़ीबो किमन बच्चा आसे और गोबो 3-4 बच्चा आसे अम्मा तो तय लगा मक्की तो 3-4 बच्चा के बुक्की किने साई किने घर ते तकिया से और तय कोई से तो इसको भी काम न करे तो ना 3 बच्चे के साई के ने घर पे तक के मक्की का तो काम न होए और अम्मा लगा काम तो काम न होए अमेरिकन होले तो काम मतलब सैलरी आने लगा असे तो काम सैलरी ना आने तो ये तो काम नहीं and we all know mother's job is 24/7 365 days job. Are we really appreciate and reward? Are we really giving back what they deserve? As children and as husbands, are we really taking care of our mothers? My dear believers, it is said that अमेरिकन दुनिया से एकदम सबसे दंगूर पोजीशन की ऐसे गुड़ी बोले तो कुंभकर्ण को वो अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट लगा पोजीशन तो एकदम दंगूर पावरफुल पोजीशन ऐसे कुंभकर्ण को वो रशियन प्रेसिडेंट एकदम पावरफुल ऐसे कैथोलिक का तो वो पोप एकदम पावरफुल बिसी दंगूर एकदम पोजीशन ऐसे इंडिया से होले we will say the Prime Minister is very powerful, a very important position. But I will say, the most important position, bisi dangur position is दुनिया से तकिले तो इतो अम्मा लगा position आसे. अपनी घर ते काम करे तको मनो से कोई किने शरण ना करू बिदे. कुंभा अम्मा कांदा हा टाइम दे कोबो सर अभी एक भी करिया ने अभी बच्चा साइकिल घर ते बही आसे. अपनी क्या बनिए बाबा का घर चोरी के काम चोरी के घर ते बोई के बच्चे का साथ तो और कैन बी इमेजिन all those work our mothers are doing for us can be done by a man. Just imagine a role reversal. आजी परा मक्की लगा काम माता का करिबो माता का लगा काम मक्की करबो परिबो अम्मा लगा काम माता का करबो परिबो माता लगा की रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसे इतु फाल पड़ा बकी किने मकी का करबो परे तो but I don't think a man is able to handle a mother's job. Our Prime Minister, former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, after she became the Prime Minister for the first time, she has given an interview to the famous news agency BBC. Among the many questions, the reporter asked her, Madam, what do you enjoy the most other than being the Prime Minister? Without a second thought, without any hesitation, she said, I feel very happy and I feel very comfortable. I enjoy the most when I am with my family, when I am with my sons, when I am with my grandchildren. This is what a mother can do. Can we imagine a home without mothers, minus mothers? Can we imagine our homes? My mother is no longer in this world. 2 years back she died. And whenever during holidays we traveled down to Kerala. And 1 month before our journey starts, both my mother and my wife mother, they kept on calling us, how you are coming, when are you coming, at what time you will be reaching. And we were also enthusiastic to travel down to Kerala to reach our home because we know that our mother is waiting for us. After both our mothers have gone, we don't have that same feeling today. Though we have our home, our relatives, brothers, everyone is there, but mother is not there. That feeling is something very, very different. That is why I said in the beginning, सबसे मीठा लगा दंगुर लगा नाम तकिले तो मदर लगा नाम आसते. And when we look at our own life, I feel we owe more to our mothers. They deserve much better than what they are getting today. Let us give our best service to our mothers. Some years ago, a team of principals from the state of Maharashtra visited Nagaland. As a part of their visit, they visited the school I served earlier. And we had a small meeting with the teachers, with the guests. And during the meeting, they were stood up and introduced themselves. And one of the ladies stood up and introduced like this. I am such and such, my name is such and such. I am a homemaker. I take care of 2 children at home and I take care of 2,500 children in my school. And it was something very fresh for me to hear that introduction. She said, I am a homemaker. She didn't say, I am the principal of such and such school. But first she said, I am a homemaker. I think all our mothers' heart and mind is like that. They feel more comfortable, they feel more happy when they serve their children. And we have to give them the best of everything in this world when mothers are alive. I will just share one more story, one more experience I had with one of our student mother. Since I am working in a school, all my experiences are related to school. There was one boy, some years back, he has taken admission to class 11. Ever since he has taken admission to our school, he was very irregular. He did not come to class, one day present, next 3 days absent. He was very irregular. And his principal used to be very strict with the irregular students. We called the parent. 1 or 2 times father came. We appraised him, send your child every day to school. Why he is not coming to school? Then as any other parent, they offer some lame excuses. They also know that he doesn't want to come to school. He is very lazy. He wants to sleep throughout the day and he don't want to come to school. Then it continued for so many months. In between, we called the parents, and after some day, the father got given up. So I tried my level best. My son, he doesn't want to come to school. I am very sorry, sir. Then after 1 month, his mother started to come to school. Mother will come and request, sir, morning very good. Taike class ke agi bole devi. Ami koshish karibo. Ami taike patabo school te. Ekta chance devi. Then we accepted the request and allowed him to come to school. Then 2 days he will come again. He started his old habit. Then the month of January arrived. February it is examination. Class 11 examination is in the month of February. This mother again came to my office requesting, sir, his attendance is kamti ase. Maybe Jania said, not even 50% his attendance. Like a moron gari kene. Like action curricular divina. Then taking the request of the parent, we decided to allow this boy to sit for the examination. And in the month of February, in the morning it will be class 12 examination, afternoon time is for the class 11 examination. And it is quite cold in the month of February. This mother will forcefully bring this boy to the examination hall. And after he made sure that he is inside the examination hall, he would come out and stand outside the school gate. I used to tell him, no need, apni to wait kari come apni घर जागे ना जाएगी 3 घंटा पीछे से अहित किने बच्चे के लोग जागे ना सर अमी ना जाओ. He will stand in the cold weather without a phone. This says we get 1 minute free. We open the phone and check the social media and all, right? But this lady, she was standing outside. Without doing anything, every examination days, she stood outside the school campus waiting for her son. And I used to watch him in the camera, in the CCTV camera monitor, what he does in the examination hall. He shows all kinds of mannerisms. He has nothing to write. He takes the question paper, he looks here and there. He shows a lot of gestures. 2.5 hours he will not write anything, and the last half an hour hurriedly he will write something, and he will submit his paper at the conclusion of the examination, and he will go back with his mother. Result came, he failed as expected. This very afternoon, mother cryingly came to my office. Sir, my bacha to fail hoise. Sir, আমি কি করব? আমি ইমান কোশিশ করেছে, আমি ইমান দুঃখ পাইছে, আমি বাচ্চা করনে আপনি মরণ করে গেলে তাইকে পাস করে দিবে না? I said, man, it is not possible. It is not in our hands. It is board examination. আমি জানি আছে আমি বাচ্চা ফাল पर एग्जाम दिया নাই, হইলে भी তাইকে মরণ করে কিনে তাইকে পাস করে দিবি। I said to the same answer, it is out of my hand. I cannot do. Then the very next 7 days, she every day morning when I come to the office, she would be standing outside my office. She has the same request. Sir, moran gori kine pass kore dibe na apne bachche ke. Apni moran gori le to ami taike sabo ठीक para sabo. Apni pass kore dibe ami ठीक lage dusre school te jai jabo. Apni moran gori kine taike pass kore dibe. I used to be very polite to the parents. I said, ma'am, I have the same answer. I can't do anything. This is a board examination. There is no re-examination. We cannot reconsider. I am very, very sorry. And on the 7th or 8th day, she was standing in front of my office. Then my office staff got a bit annoyed. One of the office staff, "Apni ke kimar baat koi dise sir to nampari ase. Apni alag sharan takili na apni ke sharan nahi iman ai ke hatta hai ki nahi ka request ko sharan nahi." Then she said, "Ami laga bachcha nimite আমি শরণ গাবলে একটু না হইতো আমি শরণ না কইলে তো কোন গাব তাই নিমিতে আমি মরণ না করিলে আমি বাচ্চাকে কোন মরণ করিব আপনি কই দিবি না আপনি বাচ্চা ফেল হলে তো তাই স্কুল চোরি দিব মই লাগা বাচ্চা লাগা ফিউচার কিনিকে বল I would like to dedicate this message to all the youngsters who are in this auditorium. My dear boys and girls, your mother is the fiercest fighter for you. Your mother will take all the shames, all the humiliation for you. If you have disappointed her, if you have given you pain, you have given pain, she would silently suffer, and she will do this for her concern for the child. I have many friends working in Europe and in the Americas and all. Whenever we talk, they used to tell me, Ranji, in this land, the most flourishing business is opening up of old age homes. When parents are very old, children have no time to take care of their old parents, and they will put them in the old age homes. But we say this is a sign of development, but I don't think it is a sign of development. When we are neglecting our mothers during their old age, how many times in whatever beautiful way we celebrate the Mother's Day and other days of their birthdays or whatever, it's of no meaning. But we are very lucky in Nagaland. Even in my state in Kerala, there are mushrooming growth of old age homes because children are all working in different parts of the country, outside the country. They don't have the time or they don't have the facilities to take care of their mothers or their parents. They leave them alone in their home, or many of them are in the old age homes. The people of Nagaland are so good. They don't send their parents to the old age homes. I don't think there are any old age homes exist in Nagaland. Let this beautiful example of our land and our people known to the rest of the world. And let us always take care of our mothers, give the best service possible to them, especially when they are old, during their old age. Your presence, your sweet talks, you go and listen to them, that will give them immense happiness and satisfaction. I take this opportunity once again to wish all the mothers all the blessings of our Almighty God upon you, and you all have a very good and happy life ahead of you. May God bless all of us. Thank you.